Previous video, where I reap some parsley. It's the same parsley, and if you know how long, it's still fresh, so I'm going to add my parsley to my juice.
Today's vlog is brought to you by the Coconut Hut Coconut Oil. That's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Everything tastes better with coconut oil. Call to order at 876-376-1296. So that's Miss Dawn's cold pressed virgin coconut oil. Fix up life.
Hey, sweetness.
This is blueberry, raspberry, strawberry mix. Yeah, man, so I'm going to make a juice blend, a blend that can start your day buzzing. So after putting in your blueberry, raspberry and strawberry, you add your water, and then you get them blended. So after blend them all together, I strain it, You don't have to strain it if you don't want to, but I don't want the seeds or the rubbles in my juice, so I strain it, So after straining it, pour back into my blender, and then add pineapple. Add pineapple in it. So I add my frozen pineapple. My favorite part about this mixture is adding my parsley. So if you don't know, if you want to keep your parsley fresh, when put it in your Ziploc, you put some paper towels and put the parsley in between the paper towels, and you will keep it fresh. Greetings. Yes, man. Who know, who don't know, this is Herbal Laws from the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube. Yeah, man, where I do videos from my herb garden, where I plant herbs for tea and vegetables. Yeah, man, so welcome to another video, and in today's video, I did a video recently where I about reaping parsley. Do you remember that video, or you don't watch it as yet, or you are a new subscriber here? Well, check out that video from the Herbal Laws channel on YouTube. So do you remember that video? Or if you don't remember that video and you're a new subscriber, it's a video I did about 7 days ago, how to harvest parsley. And I show you the parsley plant. So in today's video, I like to do videos updating from a previous video. So in today's video, based on a comment from one of my subscriber or one of my family, I am also a fan of her page, Gardening with Stacy. She asked a question in the comment, what are the things that you can do with parsley. And I think I commented and say that, you know, you can make a salad or you can make juice. So in today's video, I want to show you, you know, a blend, a juice blend, also include the parsley. Yeah. So even though I had washed my parsley before packaging it, yeah man, I still wash it again. So if you remember one of my previous video, you know, where I reap some parsley, it's the same parsley, and if you know how long, it's still fresh, you know. So I'm going to add my parsley to my juice. You can also add a little organic agave in it, you know, just like a teaspoon. If you don't want to add it, you don't have to. But I like my little agave. And then you serve yeah, so that's the boost juice for the day. And this is the finished product from that blend. So in this juice, it's a mixture of raspberry, strawberry, yeah, and blueberry, you know. And I show you how I blend the juice. Now, as I said in the video, that the parsley is the favorite part of the blend for me, you know. And this is a juice blend that one can do to start off your day on high vibration. Yeah man, in my garden I don't plant the strawberry and the blueberry, you know, but I have a plant of the raspberry, and this is my plant. This is my raspberry plant. So I hope that one day I can make juice from this raspberry plant. Yeah man, so this is my blend. Irie. So I hope that somebody, you know, someone had learned something from this video. Maybe you want to start a juice business. Well, this is a blend that you can maybe start your juice business with. You know, you may be thinking about it. And it don't have to be a juice business, but this inspiration can also help you to start whatever business you want to start. And why I said that is that I leave something with you today. You have to start somewhere. Sometimes we think and we think and we think a lot about starting something, and we think that we don't have enough cash, we don't have enough resources to do the business. But as I said, we have to start somewhere. So if you start a juice business and you can only supply 2 people, 3 people, 5 people, or 1 person, in the beginning, you have to start somewhere. In starting somewhere, starting small, then consistency will make you grow. So you grow from 5 to 10. You grow from 10 to 100. And then you can also grow into a big business. Don't wait until you have everything that you think you need to start this business. Start with what you have. You maybe say you need a vehicle to start the business, but why not start the business by taking the bus? Why not start a business within your community where you can even walk if you can't afford to take transportation now? All of this that I'm saying is to say this: start with what you have. You have to start somewhere to get to where you want. Yeah, man. So hope somebody learned something, and hope you will start that business that you desire to start. You maybe want to start a herb garden too. You maybe want to start a vegetable gardening. Start somewhere. Yeah, man. And as I said, big up Stacy, gardening with Stacy. Big up my day one subscribers. Big up the new subscribers. Big support by even a comment. Support by watching. You know, your support is valuable. Yeah, man. And as I say, gardening with Stacy, blessings. Gardening on the rocks, blessings. In this video, I show you the blend with the parsley. Yeah. I can also show you a blend with the celery. So if you want to see that video, you can leave a comment, you know, or turn on your post notification, subscribe so that you can see that video. Peace. See you in another video.